Imagine this. You're cruising down a silent desert highway at dawn. The world is still asleep, the horizon glows orange, and the road ahead feels endless. But you're not in an ordinary RV. You're sitting inside something that feels like a fusion of a private jet, a luxury apartment, and the most advanced Audi ever created. Every surface around you glows softly. The cabin hums with quiet electric power, and the open road becomes your personal escape. This is the 2026 Audi Titan Motorhome, a $2 million rolling palace that finally brings Audi's iconic luxury and engineering into the world of high-end motorhomes. And today, you're going to see every detail, from the cockpit to the bedroom. So sit back, because this one is absolutely breathtaking. Welcome back to DriveX Media, where we explore the world's most luxurious and extraordinary motorhomes. And the Audi Titan might be the most jaw-dropping one yet. Audi is known for precision, elegance, and futuristic design. And the Titan takes all of that and stretches it across a 40-foot masterpiece on wheels. So let's step inside this $2 million palace and discover what Audi has created for the future of travel. From the moment the Titan appears, you instantly feel its presence. The exterior design looks like Audi's flagship e-tron GT, but enlarged into a full-size luxury motorhome. At the front, the massive digital Audi grille glows with animated LED patterns, giving the Titan a futuristic face that changes depending on the mode: travel mode, night mode, or welcome mode. The headlights are ultra-thin laser LED strips that sweep outward in Audi's signature animation every time the motorhome unlocks.
The body is sculpted with sharp lines, floating edges, and clean aerodynamic curves. Even the window frames disappear into the body, creating a smooth, uninterrupted surface. Down the sides, hidden storage compartments blend perfectly into the design, and the whole vehicle sits low on 26-inch forged Audi aero wheels, giving it the stance of a futuristic luxury cruiser.
At the back, a full-width OLED light bar stretches across the entire width, creating a soft red glow that looks like something straight out of an Audi concept car. The Titan isn't just a motorhome, it's a statement. It looks bold, modern, and unbelievably expensive. But the outside is only the beginning. The Titan is powered by Audi's next-generation tri-motor electric hybrid system, producing over 620 horsepower and delivering instant torque. The electric motors handle short distance and silent campground driving, while a high-efficiency hybrid system handles long journeys. The entire vehicle rides on active air adaptive suspension, which constantly adjusts to road conditions. No shaking, no bouncing, no harsh movements, just pure Audi smoothness. And then the magic begins the moment the door opens. The entrance feels like stepping into a luxury executive suite. Soft white ambient lights guide you inside, and the floor gently illuminates with Audi's signature red glow. The walls are lined with warm wood textures and brushed aluminum, and the entrance automatically releases a fresh, subtle scent, Audi's signature cabin fragrance. Once you step inside, the front lounge immediately sets the tone for what Audi calls mobility luxury. Two enormous captain seats swivel around, wrapped in soft Napa leather with diamond stitching. They're fully electronic, massaging, heated, cooled, everything. The cockpit itself looks like it came directly from the Audi e-tron GT, but enlarged into a futuristic command center. A massive curved OLED display wraps around the driver, providing navigation, 360-degree cameras, battery status, entertainment, and more. Above, the panoramic windshield stretches all the way into the ceiling. With a swipe of your hand, it can tint itself, become a display, or turn opaque for privacy. The front of the Titan truly feels like the bridge of a spaceship.
Moving into the living area, the luxury becomes even more dramatic. The lounge features a floating L-shaped sofa made from premium Napa leather. The lighting is soft and warm, following Audi's design language: clean lines, symmetrical patterns, and a relaxing atmosphere. A 70-inch 8K cinema display rises from the side wall,
turning the entire lounge into a luxury theater. Surround sound speakers hidden in the walls provide rich, immersive audio. The floors are heated, the windows are touch tinting, every panel is controlled with gestures or voice. It's not just a living room, it's a futuristic luxury suite.
Moving toward the center, you enter the kitchen, and Audi did not hold back. The counters are made from stone composite with soft lighting underneath. All appliances are seamlessly hidden behind magnetic wood panels. With a tap, you reveal a dual induction cooktop, a convection oven, a smart refrigerator, and a hidden pantry. The faucet is touch-free, the drawers are soft close. The entire kitchen feels like something out of a modern German luxury condo. Opposite the kitchen is a multifunctional dining and work area. The table can rise, lower, slide out, or fold away entirely. The seats reshape themselves based on mode: dining, lounge, office, or entertainment. A built-in projector can display recipes, video calls, movies, or a full GPS map of your journey. It's flexible, clean, and beautifully designed.
Once you step inside, the front lounge immediately sets the tone for what Audi calls mobility luxury. Two enormous captain seats swivel around, wrapped in soft Napa leather with diamond stitching. They're fully electronic, massaging, heated, cooled, everything. The cockpit itself looks like it came directly from the Audi e-tron GT, but enlarged into a futuristic command center. A massive curved OLED display wraps around the driver, providing navigation, 360-degree cameras, battery status, entertainment, and more. Above, the panoramic windshield stretches all the way into the ceiling. With a swipe of your hand, it can tint itself, become a display, or turn opaque for privacy. The front of the Titan truly feels like the bridge of a spaceship.
Finally, at the back of the Titan, you enter the master bedroom, a masterpiece of calm, comfort, and Audi design. The queen-size bed sits against a floating headboard with soft ambient lighting. The mattress is custom Audi comfort foam designed to adapt perfectly to your body. On either side are luxury side tables with wireless chargers. The room features a starry sky LED ceiling that glows gently at night. And then the rear window. A full panoramic glass wall gives you a breathtaking view of wherever you park. Mountains, oceans, deserts, forests. It's like waking up inside nature itself. The bedroom includes storage closets, reading lights, a private entertainment screen, and a quiet zone climate control system that keeps the room at the perfect temperature. Everything throughout the Titan is controlled by Audi Home Suite, a smart system that manages lighting, sound, temperature, shades, slide-outs, and energy usage. It's voice-activated, gesture-controlled, app-connected, completely automated luxury. So what makes the Audi Titan so special? It's simple. It blends Audi's ultra-premium design language with next-generation electric performance, smart home luxury, and the comfort of a rolling palace worth $2 million. It's a masterpiece for people who want freedom without giving up luxury, and Audi has delivered exactly that. Now let me ask you, if you had the keys to the Audi Titan, where would your first road trip be? A mountain escape? A coastal journey? A cross-country expedition? Tell me in the comments. I'd love to hear it. The 2026 Audi Titan Motorhome is more than an RV. It's luxury without limits, design without compromise, and travel without boundaries. If you enjoyed this walkthrough and want to see more stunning motorhomes, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to DriveX Media. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.